Hello everyone, this is a little update on the Jeep that I was restoring and painting. I do have the hood open, so it's just not closed fully. Excuse me. It's running really good. Just about got things somewhat complete. The new carpet. Used some other seats out of another Jeep that I found. Everything works. Placed a headliner in it. I don't know if the lighting's good enough for you to see. Still got to do the back carpet. Put the front door panels on. Everything lines up good. All doors shut good and tight. Starts and runs good. Do have the horn. I was going to adjust in the column a little bit. So, here's what she looks like. Both power, driver, and passenger seats. Feel free to leave your comments and tell me what you think on how she turned out. It does have the original 7-way connector, and all trailer lights and brake lights work off of it, because I've actually pulled a trailer with it. Since I've gotten done, I've probably put about 300 miles on the engine and everything since it's up and going now. But just let me know what you think. She is for sale.